What is better than Hamburger Helper? Homemade Hamburger Helper. I'm Tess, and welcome to my kitchen. Tonight I'm making my copycat version of Hamburger Helper, and it's going to be ready in less than 30 minutes. I have a pound of ground beef that I'm cooking and chopping over medium heat until no longer pink. Depending on the amount of fat in your ground beef, you may want to drain off some of the fat. I'm adding in some tomato sauce and milk and giving that a stir. Now for the spices. I have some garlic powder, paprika for some color, and chili powder. I'm also adding in some onion flakes and the uncooked macaroni. I'm using cavatappi or corkscrew pasta instead of regular macaroni because that's what I have. Truth is, you can use any pasta that you like. Giving that a stir, bringing up to a simmer, covering and cooking for about 10 minutes, and then I'm going to stir and check to see if I need any more liquid. It's been 10 minutes. I am going to add a little bit more water, giving it a stir, covering and cooking for another 3 to 5 minutes. This is also a good time to give it a taste test for any additional seasonings. You will be able to find this recipe in the list of ingredients in the Show More section below. If you click on the word Show More, it will open and reveal this recipe, links where you can purchase some of the items that I use, and much, much more. If you have a chance, please check it out. The pasta is al dente, and now it's time for the cheese. I'm using a combination of mild cheddar and Monterey Jack, but you can use whatever you like or have available. Also, I'm adding in a little dried parsley. Giving that a stir until all the cheese is melted, and it's done. If you want to thin out the consistency, you can add in a little more water. What can I say? This is a definite comfort food and so easy to make. A meal you can have ready in less than 30 minutes and much better than the boxed Hamburger Helper. A great budget-friendly weeknight meal. I hope you give this Copycat Hamburger Helper Cheeseburger Macaroni a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!